Hello, I'm Vanessa Woozley. I'm a doTERRA Diamond in the UK. I'm also a nutritional therapist and health coach. And today I want to inspire you to make nutrition changes to impact your health, but also change how you feel on a daily basis. I also want to talk to you about doTERRA's Lifelong Vitality Pack of supplements, because when coupled with nutrition, supplements can offer powerful benefits to your body. When it comes to self-care and feeling well both physically and mentally, changing your nutrition should be the foundational support to our diet and lifestyle changes. But sometimes there can be lots of conflicting advice out there today, and that's because there is no one singular diet that suits everybody. So how do we start? We can introduce 5 very simple changes that are pretty universal and that most of us will agree on, that can make a significant impact to our lifestyle, our diet, our nutrition, and how we feel every single day. As a living being, we are regenerating our cells all of the time. We regenerate all of our gut cells in every few days, and all of our cells regenerate in 7 years. So what we use as the building blocks to the foundation of the rebuilding of those cells is really important. Plants contain phytochemicals, and these are what gives plants their beautiful, vibrant color. So when you hear nutritional therapists talk about eat the rainbow, this is because you get different nutrients from different colors available to you. I'm a strong believer in starting your day with a smoothie. This is a great way to disguise greens such as spinach and bitter leaves under the beautiful flavors of sweeter fruits like berries and bananas. And the great thing is it's great for adults and kids alike. Most of us are now aware that refined sugar is a highly addictive food, but you might not realize that it actually messes with your satiety hormones, so it can stop you from feeling full. I like to use raw, unprocessed honey and a little bit of maple syrup in recipes. And then you can also use things like dates and berries, and cinnamon is a great spice for helping to manage any kind of sugar cravings because it helps to control your blood sugar levels. Adding some beans, lentils and brown rice is a great way to add more fibre into your daily meals. These are satiating foods. They also help to manage your blood sugar levels. And beans and lentils are also considered a resistant starch, so they are a prebiotic-rich food, which also help to feed the good bacteria in your gut. Fats should be eaten in moderation, and we should focus on those that exist naturally in our environment. Healthy fats that come from nuts and seeds and avocados are a great way to support our cells with fat-soluble nutrients, and they're particularly great for the brain and for the skin health. When cooking with fats, we want to focus on the oils that stay stable at high temperatures. So using oils like avocado and extra virgin olive oil are great, because other vegetable oils can go rancid when cooked at high smoking points. We focus on gut health by removing inflammatory processed foods, but also by adding more fibre from a nutrient-dense diet into our gut health. I'm also a strong advocate of fermented foods. These are one of the first foods that I came across to help heal my gut, and they're really easy and simple to make. I've been making them and eating them for about 10 years now, and there's some really easy examples to start with, like sauerkraut that I have here, but also things like kimchi and kefir. These help to feed the good bacteria in our gut. A healthy gut also supports a healthy brain. We know that the vagus nerve is now connecting the gut and the brain together, so what we do to manage our gut health also helps to stabilize our mood on a daily basis. So if we take these changes with nutrition, why do we need to supplement? I want to dispel some of the myths that people have around supplementation. You still need a healthy diet like I've just shared, and we still need to approach health holistically and not expect a magic pill. Nutrition and lifestyle changes should always form the foundation of your health, but supplementation can add powerful additional benefits to support your overall wellness. Many people today are undernourished, and that's because their diet is lacking many of the vital micronutrients needed. Modern farming methods have meant that we have lost the biodiversity in our soil that existed even 100 years ago in our fruits and vegetables. Supplements can help to bridge that gap with the valuable vitamins, minerals, and essential fatty acids needed. So let me introduce you to the Lifelong Vitality Pack. I have been taking the Vitality Pack for over 4 years now. I didn't have any health conditions or symptoms to speak of, but within 2 weeks I noticed a huge difference in my vitality and how I felt. I've taken supplements for many years, but when I felt so different on the doTERRA ones, I wanted to know exactly what was in them. The Lifelong Vitality Pack is doTERRA's #1 selling product, and it is packed with powerful vitality promoting benefits. They have 3 bottles in the pack. Let me introduce you to each one and tell you how they've been formulated. Alpha CRS Plus is a formula that contains potent levels of natural botanical extracts. Alpha CRS Plus is formulated to provide lifelong vitality and overall wellness, and it's the one that I get most passionate about. It contains a proprietary blend of powerful polyphenols. The doTERRA Microplex VMZ is a food nutrient complex of bioavailable vitamins and minerals that are often deficient in our modern diets today. The formula contains a balanced blend of vitamins of A, C, E, and a B complex. The Microplex VMZ also contains chelated minerals such as magnesium, calcium, and zinc. The natural folate in this product comes from lemon peel, and it also contains whole food botanical extracts from kelp, broccoli, dandelion, and even sea kelp. And lastly, Zero Omega is a revolutionary formula that contains CPTG essential oils, natural marine and plant-based omega-3 oils, and carotenoids. It contains an equal ratio of EPA and DHA from sustainable fish oil concentrate. Zero Omega contains a full spectrum of carotenoids, as well as vitamins E and D, and 9 CPTG essential oils such as frankincense, ginger, German chamomile, and peppermint. There is also the increasingly popular vegan version of the Vitality Pack. This contains plant-based algae, borage, and flax as an alternative to the omega-3 oils. So how do we take LLV? We want to take 4 tablets from each bottle on a daily basis. I would suggest taking 2 in the morning at breakfast and 2 at lunchtime, and taking them with your meals to improve absorbability. But I always suggest that when people start, they start slowly, so start with 1 tablet from each bottle, then after a couple of days work up to 2, and then take 3 until you're on the full dose. The value of LLV needs to be experienced through a wholesale account, and you also want to order it through the Loyalty Reward Program, because every time you order it, you will get free points back on the LRP. This means that every time you purchase, you're getting free products back from doTERRA.